Hi everyone, I'm going to take a seminar about the front-end frameworks that was trending nowadays, and also I'm comparing it to the serverless computing that has been shaping this field. So I won't go too technical, but let's keep it simple and easy to understand. The first one is the shift towards the component-based frameworks, and that is the most important change we have seen in the front-end development over the past years is that the approach of frameworks, so like the uh, web UIs like React, Angular, and Vue.js allow developers to code UI into smaller components, and we can reuse that piece of code later. So if we have a like an input bar, then we can use that UI for everywhere, or the places that we can use that input bar. If we edit one input bar, then all the others will also change according to that. So it is simpler to maintain that if we want to change a design of an input bar, then it will also reflect on the other input bars uh, that we have created from the instance of the original one. This modular approach makes the code cleaner and easier to maintain, and faster to develop because we don't need to uh, build one by one. We can just build one and copy that instance to the other like that. Uh, so also we can reuse the components of the pages like the footers, navbars, and some icons that we use, or in the sidebars. We can also use that as a component. And the second one, that is the emergence of static site generators, because this is a new trend, and this gains speed in the use of static site generators, like example for Next.js, and I think Gatsby also. It is unlike a traditional dynamic website. A static site is pre-rendered, which means that the content is generated in the build time rather than waiting for the user's response. So if the user requests for that, then it can render, not render, it is already rendered, can show that page immediately when the user requests it, and that type of rendering is used in the Next.js. So the page will load dynamically very fast, and it enhances the website's performance, improving its SEO score. And static site generators have emerged as the favorite nowadays because some websites want them to show it very fast, so the reloading time will be very less for the mobile users also. We don't like the waiting of web pages to load. So this type of web pages will be more likely to be the trend in coming days. And the other thing is optimizing web performance. We said performance optimization has always been a key priority of the front-end development, but it is now important more than ever. With the mobile usage becoming dominant, form and pages continuing to demand faster speeds. So we have to optimize as much as possible so that they won't be load very slowly, and it will enhance user experience. And there are a million tools like the Lighthouse we use to get the score of the website. Mm, So while building an app, we need to be cautious about how it is optimized, and we have to optimize it the way that we can. And another is CSS solution, because CSS has been not that much have evolution, but nowadays we can have the CSS tailwind. It is a good styling option, and it is very fast, and today developers prefer the tailwind more because it is the utility first framework for the CSS. This helps manage styling in a much organized manner, such as I think Angular is in an organized manner like that. The tailwind is also in an organized manner, so we can uh, differentiate between the logic and the stylings in this. So it will help us to deliver a consistent design system throughout the project. And the other one is API-driven management and headless CMS. The next trend in the API-driven development is also known as the headless CMS, like the uh, because we are as a front-end developer, we don't need to wait for the server. We are like fetching the data and fetching the data from the APIs and render our pages based on that. So we don't need the server or the servers request or something else. Uh, the front end then puts we pulls the content from the API and the content management system, that is CMS manages the content separately. It gives us more flexibility, and we can use this to design our website, mobile app, and IoT devices, but all through one API. That is the advantage of this. And the next topic is this is final topic, and it is the future of serverless computing and its implication on the front end. Because we are not going too deeply into it, but it would be a perform to leave this topic untouched because uh, AWS, Lambda, and Netlify and Vercel developers can focus more on the front end without worrying about the backend. To put it simple, by having zero responsibility on managing the server at all, the serverless services let you providers have the responsibility to handle server management for it, because we don't need to rely on the server, or they will do that according to our needs. We can easily create applications much faster uh, when doing the backend services, such as the creation of API or the execution of a database query. Mm, and in conclusion, uh, the front end frameworks, the trends will maybe gone for after a decade or something, and something new arises. But these topics that I discussed now is the emergent topics, emergent trends that we see in the front end, and I have said how this serverless computing linked to this front end, and that's all about this video. Thank you.